Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download a badge from AWS Skill Builder for LinkedIn. Complete guide step by step clearly. To download a badge from AWS Skill Builder for LinkedIn, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the AWS Skill Builder website. Log in to your AWS account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Look for the Achievements section on the dashboard. Click on Achievements to view your earned badges. Find the specific badge you wish to download. Click on the badge to open its details. Review the information presented about the badge. Look for a download or share option associated with the badge. Click on the download or share option. Choose the format you would like to download the badge in, typically JPEG or PNG. Confirm your choice to initiate the download. Wait for the download to complete. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's download directory. Now open your LinkedIn profile in a new tab. Click on Add Profile section to start adding the badge. Select Licenses and Certifications from the drop-down menu. Fill in the required fields with the badge details. Upload the downloaded badge image where prompted. Review all entered information for accuracy. Click on Save to add the badge to your LinkedIn profile. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded your AWS Skill Builder badge and added it to LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.